support is key to success for any company. As you may have already heard, PAS, the Prosperity Automated System, has added another income source to its lineup. It is called Freedom Rocks. Freedom Rocks, in a nutshell, promotes a unique wealth builder program that produces automated buy and sell triggers for its members, giving them guidance for trading in the Forex market. Freedom Rocks consists of a proprietary software system that helps its members know when to buy and sell, requiring little to no prior experience. Here are some of the highlights, taken directly from their online FAQ. You place all of your own trades in your own brokerage account, so you always have 100% control over your money. There are no charts or graphs to read. No research. No signals. You'll always trade currency pairs which, historically speaking, move in opposite directions. You'll seldom exit your positions. You can manage a portfolio of any size in just a few minutes per week. You don't have to monitor your portfolio all night when the markets are their most active. In addition to your trading gains, you can set your portfolio to produce virtually any level of interest you desire, keeping in mind that higher interest rates may significantly increase the volatility and overall risk of your portfolio. The cost: $189 to get started, then $100 per month thereafter. In addition, you must pay an annual website maintenance fee of $45. Now, I could see this working if you happen to be one of those PAS members that is currently pulling in a decent profit. Given that PAS members must pay $190 per ad pack per month, or find their own means of marketing altogether, another $100 per MO just isn't justifiable to me unless I were already at least $290 in the green per month. For my money, Freedom Rocks is one business opportunity that will have to wait. PAS support, or lack thereof. As a PAS member, I had submitted a support request to PAS some time ago, 27 days ago, to be exact. During a recent members-only teleconference, a member asked Bill O. about the whole support ticket system issue. Bill's response could basically be summarized as, if you want an answer to a support issue, just voice your concern via one of their members' calls, which means that you must be available to be on the call at the date and time they have scheduled it. For me, this poses quite an inconvenience. In my opinion, if they're not planning on replying to any past support tickets, then they should pull down the support ticket system altogether until they believe they have the manpower to properly address the issues. I had waited over 20 days only to find out that there was very little likelihood that my ticket would ever be addressed, unless I called in and voiced it during a membership teleconference. Another way to look at it, they've apparently had enough time to strike a deal with not just one, but two other opportunity sources, IPG8 and Freedom Rocks, but they have yet to solve their glaring support issues. These kind of collaborations usually take a considerable amount of time in planning and execution. We formed several of these back in the days of my previous company. In my personal opinion, they are focusing on the wrong priorities. Now, please don't get me wrong, expansion can be a good thing. But it should be executed carefully, with a robust support system in place prior to adding additional components to their business model.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.